graduation day. I'm going to be riding to Ladakh. I've started to get a high on kulchas now. I've had so many kulchas on this trip, I've lost count. The thing about Manali is you're just walking down the road, exploring the market, and then all of a sudden you come across a lane that gives you a view like this. Stunning, isn't it?
चलिए मैं
Okay, it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Good morning. This is day 11. We just had breakfast at this amazing place called Bias Punjabi Family Dhaba, 100% pure veg. The paratha is amazing. For the past 2 days we've been having our breakfast over here. So tomorrow we are going to leave for Ladakh, and today the big dilemma is whether we should get an RT-PCR test done or no, because a lot of people are saying it's not needed anymore. People are not checking so much, but at the same time this has been such an extensive trip of so many days. We've spent so much money and we've prepared so much for it, that should we take a chance now by going without an RT-PCR test. So one of the police officers asked us to come to this place, basically the tourism department.
हाँ, मुझे पूछना है कि लेह लद्दाख के लिए RT-PCR टेस्ट लग रहा है क्या? कहाँ पे?
SDM ऑफिस है सामने ना, मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफिस है यहाँ पे। SDM ऑफिस है यहाँ नियर बाई SBI के ATM आएगा ना।
अच्छा,
थोड़ा सा
मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफिस है, वहाँ पे पूछूँ?
हाँ जी वहाँ पे।
ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू। हम कल ना लेह लद्दाख से जा रहे हैं, हमें पूछना था वहाँ पे RT-PCR टेस्ट करना पड़ता है?
ये वो लेह लद्दाख वाले जाने फिलहाल।
अच्छा, हाँ वो तो है, ऑनलाइन चेक करना पड़ेगा।
दूसरा स्टेट आ गया ना
बराबर, ठीक है, चलेगा सर, थैंक यू
सर। ऑनलाइन चेक करना।
हाँ. So we went to this tourist information center here in Manali at the start of Mall Road. We tried to get some information over here regarding whether RT-PCR test is needed or not, but apparently a lot of people don't know what the situation is. Plus the people at tourism center also didn't have a clue, so we still are wondering whether to get it done. Logic would suggest that we've come so far away that we now just for an RT-PCR test to put the whole trip in jeopardy would not be a good idea. By the way, can you see the snow? That much snow was not there yesterday, so I think this has happened overnight. The weather is quickly changing, folks. The window to Leh from Manali is quickly closing, so we have to start tomorrow and get to Leh as soon as possible, because now the temperature is really going down. Look at the water. So beautiful, it's so clean. All this water is coming from the mountains up ahead. This is the river Bias, and look at the forest beside it. It's something out of a fairy tale, yaar. Yeah, I want to come here every year. It's that good. I'm going to get my bike washed because it's very dirty now, and although it's going to get even dirtier on my way to Leh, but I think, you know, this first coating of mud needs to come out. Look at this. Wow. And there's a waterfall over here also. It's just so picturesque. There's snow-capped mountains on that side. You see those tall mountains over there. There's some snow on that also. So guys, all this has happened in a span of 2-3 days ago. This wasn't there. From that you can tell that the weather is changing drastically up in the mountains, and that is why we need to complete this part of the circuit as soon as possible. The bike is looking almost brand new. He washed it very well, and God knows how much dust must have come out of it, which is looking good now. The only thing I have to do is I have to loop the chain once I go get back to the hotel in preparation for tomorrow's ride to Ladakh. There's a waterfall up there. Wow. I wanted to show Mohini the river, so we've found a spot where we can just go down towards the river. So that's the river Bias. We're going there. She's not touched the water yet, so I just want to show her how cold the water is. Here we are. Look at the sand over here. Okay. Wow. So that's the bridge we came over 10 minutes back. Let's keep our stuff over here and touch the water. Wow, it's really cold. The water is really cold, but it's feeling amazing. Oh shit! Right now we are going to Vashisht temple because that's where you park the bike if you want to hike up to Jogini Falls, which is half an hour's climb through the woods. So for that we need to go up to Vashisht temple and then park the bike there. In the meantime, just look at the view on the left side.
day.